Hello, welcome to Knowledge Center. In this video, I am going to tell you about some of the stocks which have to be observed for tomorrow session, that is October 3. So the very first stock about among them is Hindustan Aeronautics Limit. Yes, you can read this statement here. Buy Hindustan Aeronautics, target of rupees 2266, that is 2266. This statement is given by the famous Prabhudas Liladhar. You can go through this news here. Prabhudas Leeladhar is bullish on Hindustan Aeronautics as recommended buy rating on the stock with a target price of rupees 2266 on its research report. So now this news has been updated on September 29th, 2023. So we know that September 30 it was Saturday and first was Sunday and today it was holiday. So definitely the impact of this news will be on tomorrow's market. So hope all of you just have a look over this HAL share so that you can make a benefit out of this news. Now let's go in detail about this news. Why Prabhudas Leeladhar research report says that the HAL will be in bullish. There are 5 points according to them. Let's see one by one. So here you can look into the first point. So it says that its position as the primary supplier of India's military aircraft. So this is first important thing. According to the report, the very first thing why they are bullish is HAL is the primary supplier, okay, the main supplier of India's military aircraft. So that definitely an advantage due to which they gave this conclusion that it's going to be a bullish. Second point is it's a long-term sustainable demand opportunity owing to the government's push on procurement of indigenous defense aircraft. The government is also giving a push towards the defense sector. That's the one advantage. The other advantage because of which they can be bullish on this. Third statement is about leap in HAL's technological capabilities due to the development of more advanced platforms. So there is advanced stages, AMCA, etc. So there is a technology development in HAL. So because of which they are bullish on it. So fourth point says that they have huge order book with them. That is almost about rupees 818 billion with further 5 years of pipeline. So this is a huge order book the company is having with them, and definitely they are to complete this within 5 years of period. So this is the advantage. Last point what they have mentioned here is improvement in profitability through scale and operating leverage. So there is an improvement here in a profit case. So because of all these 5 points, they gave a bullish recommendation or a buy recommendation, and with a target they have mentioned rupees 2266. So according to this news, you have to observe HAL for tomorrow. You can act according to the movement what's happening in the market. Now let's move on for the second stock which we need to concentrate for tomorrow's session. Our second stock which is to be concentrated for tomorrow's session is Tata Power. So here Moody's have given some rating for Tata Power. You can read the statement here. Moody's upgrades Tata Power rating to BA1. Yes, there is an upgrade in the Tata Power rating given by the very famous investor service, that is Moody's. We can say, let us see what actually they have stated in the statement. Tata Power on Friday said Moody's Investor Service has upgraded the corporate family rating of Tata Power to BA1 from BA2 and maintained a stable outlook. Okay, so it was BA2, now it has been upgraded to BA1. See, so generally what happens, the agencies like Moody's or Fitch, all these are most important for the people who are in share market. So Moody's have given a great updation for a Tata Power. This news will definitely impact this particular share for tomorrow session. So have a look over this share for tomorrow. Let's see how this Tata Power will be get benefited out of it and why they have given BA1 rating for Tata Power. So let's go in detail about it. Here you can say under Moody's base case projection, Tata Power's operating cash flow Here look at this. Operating cash flow pre-working capital to debt will remain solid at 9 to 11%. Okay, 9 to 11% over the next 2 to 3 years. So this is very good news regarding the Tata Power. The cash flow and the debt is within the 9 to 11% over the next 2 3 years. Although the projected credit matrices are lower than the actual recorded in fiscal 2023, Moody's expects Tata Power to be able to sustain these credit matrices, thereby supporting the upgrade. So, because of their cash flow and also the management of a debt, the Moody's have declared their ratings as BA1. They have upgraded the rating for Tata Power. So you can also have a look over this Tata Power for tomorrow's session. Now let's go on for the third important share. Okay, that is Coal India. So again, we have another agency called Sharekhan. They have given a buy call for Coal India, and the target price they have suggested is rupees 330. So let's see why Sharekhan is bullish on Coal India. Recently, there is a outcome. We have a production outlook for Coal India. There is a hike in 11% of growth. We have 11% of growth in a production outcome. So this is one major advantage for Coal India, because of which tomorrow it may boost up. Now let's see the points which have been observed by Sharekhan, because of which they have given this target. So here you can look into that points. So the point number one, so we have a lot of points here. Let us directly concentrate on the important points which has been mentioned by Sharekhan. So rising volume from the non-power sector, which fetches better realization. That is the first point they have mentioned. The non-power sector, there is a volume rise in a non-power sector. That is one advantage. And the second point which is considered here is benefit of operating leverage given strong coal offtake outlook. So coal production is also good here. Huge quantity of coal has been produced. 11% has been increased. So that is a good point. Third point is potential hike in FSA coal realization. So because of all these 3 points, Sharekhan has suggested of buying a Coal India. So I hope these points are clear for you guys. So for tomorrow's session, you have a look over HAL, Coal India, as well as Tata Power. All the best. Thank you.